So today we're going to talk about the top AI features of one of our favorite LMSs, TalentCards. It's super cool. Our favorite part is this is AI meets visual graphic design.
Now, we know if you're trying to develop an online course, technology is one of the most important pillars, not the most important pillar. There's actually 3 pillars to eLearning. And in our free gift, our MasterClass, you will learn what those 3 pillars are and actually which one is the most important one. And it's actually not technology, but it is something that you do need in order to have an online course. So if you're looking to figure out what are the 3 pillars, how do I develop an online course to create a passive revenue stream, serve more people, do it in 90 days or less, and save tens of thousands of dollars in the process because it's demystified, our free masterclass, our gift to you in the description below.
Linked. So let's dive on in. Here's the deal, okay? We got TalentCards. TalentCards is an amazing mobile application that you can use to train your people when they are on job sites. This is the ideal use of TalentCards.
Yep.
You have one of your employees, they're on a job site, they need some quick training, boom, here it is. The problem is,
rip out the phone.
how do you create this training quickly? Well, enter AI.
Here we go. There are 3 key elements to this AI tool which make it very easy. So the first thing is TalentCards, hence the name TalentCards. The way that they have their training set up is through a set of cards.
Card sets.
Think of index cards where as you flip from one card to the next, the information is displayed going through a step-by-step type process.
Exactly.
TalentCards really embraces that, embraces micro-learning through what they call card sets.
Yeah, exactly. And here's the thing. We teach a lot about how to use ChatGPT to create courses on our channel, and we love using ChatGPT.
And Bard.
The benefit of using the AI tool within TalentCards is ChatGPT can only do so much when it comes to outlining your course, okay? You can have ChatGPT outline your course on, let's say, plumbing best practices course outline. We're going to say create plumbing best practices course outline with 10 modules. Okay? And ChatGPT is going to create that. The problem is now we have to take this and import it into TalentCards. Well, what you can do is something very similar. In TalentCards, you can do the same thing, provide, hey, here's what my course is about, and then TalentCards is automatically going to create the cards for you. And each card is going to teach you a different part of that course about plumbing best practices. Now, TalentCards takes this one step further. ChatGPT can't show us images. It can describe images, so we can literally ask ChatGPT, give me an image to represent each module. And it's going to describe it, okay? It's going to describe each image. See? Module 1, a plumber's toolbox with various tools. Module 2, a diagram illustrating different plumbing systems. So it can tell us, but it can't show us.
Which is why TalentCards is amazing, because in addition to breaking out the modules in cards, they then will auto-generate images that connect with the content within each card, basically creating a total card set from text to image all together, simplifying the design and content creation process for you.
Exactly. So while ChatGPT can give us an outline, it can tell us the images, it can't do it all at the same time. TalentCards, on the other hand, can. Now remember though, when you're using AI in general, this is all about ideation. You're gonna actually need to go in, adjust the content on the cards.
Adjust the images, maybe add some video because there's some video capabilities with TalentCards, but it's all about ideation. But that is the great thing about TalentCards is that it breaks it into card set. It then develops images, and then as you can see here on the far right, the third thing that it does is it puts it all together.
Boom! And if you are looking to create an online course or e-learning program in 90 days or less, because you want to make some passive income, or you really want to train your people, you need a way to get Jimmy the plumber over at Felipe's house doing the best practices, okay? And you need an A to Z process of doing this. Just typing it in the ChatGPT or inputting into TalentCards isn't enough, which is why we have our free masterclass linked right below this video to teach you how to do that and launch it in 90 days or less. And guess what? You're gonna save $10,000 in the process.
Thank you for the likes and subscribes.